Hello everybody, it is Matt Curley and I'm going to be going over my Drupal lab today. So I decided to choose option 2 to go over the views for this video. So first I'll just go over what Drupal is. Drupal is a pretty highly flexible CMS that can get pretty complicated when looking at the CMS as a whole, just because there are so many different things that you can do to it that allows it to be flexible, which is one of its positives, but it can definitely be very confusing for a beginner whenever they try to learn it. This can also make it get pretty expensive since sometimes you have to pay for the software to make it flexible and customizable. But using this Drupal site, I was able to create my COVID risk dashboard from the beginning of the semester and create different data tables within Drupal. And I started out by creating two different views, hospitals and patients. The views are what lets you show the data to the users that go onto the site. It really just puts it out there for everybody to see. And I was able to relate some of my groupings. I was able to relate the patients with the hospitals and geographic location through their zip codes. They will each individual one will share a zip code with another one. But if you want to add a view onto, or not a view, you go to the hospitals. If you want to add a field into the view, you can go into here. So I'm adding something from the geographic location into the hospital since they're already related with the zip codes, and I'm going to be adding into the air quality since that kind of relates to the hospital and how in danger someone would be from COVID if their air quality was either good or poor. So I'm going to add and configure that because it is related. And then I'm going to apply that and save it. And now I have added that into it and it has been saved. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the patient. So I'm going to go here, go to views, go to my patients, click edit, and I'm going to add in a new field. So I'm unable to add anything to this field because it doesn't relate to the other items. But so basically the select and the read statement are what allows you to relate two different fields together into a single view document. It reads the information within the data table and is able to translate it into the different fields. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a good one.